Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Bakery Simulator, and I'm here with my best friend Val.
Hey guys!
You're not supposed to. Okay, anyway, let's get to our bakeries.
Yep.
Okay, so, I have a cookie that's done. It's, peanut butter. Yeah, we played this. We've already started playing before, but they already used a different recorder, and it would just not. It would just, like, it kept freezing for him.
Yeah, so...
He's back to Screencast-O-Matic.
Recorder, Screencast-O-Matic. We're using my original recorder. Oh, shoot, customers are about to arrive.
Oh yeah, okay. Throw away this ingredient. I'm gonna cook a donut. Okay, throw away this ingredient. Val, I see you. I'm at my bakery.
Hello.
Yeah, if you wanna, if you're coming from Val's channel, you're watching it from Val's channel. If you wanna see it from my view, subscribe to my channel, Gamer Jaxy Gamer, and you'll find this video from my point of view.
If you'll let me upload.
Yeah. Yeah, because it usually does not let Val upload.
Give me the Nutella! Give me the Nutella! Who took the Nutella? Hey! Who took the Nutella from me? Now you made me sad.
Whoever took the Nutella from you?
Yeah, you!
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, wait, how many ingredients do I have? If I need one more. Whoa! His card is so cool!
I know. You can upgrade your cards too in the shop.
And I just cook it. I'm going to bake a cookie.
I'm making cupcakes.
Can I come over to your place?
Shoot.
Whoa. Because usually we have recorded together before, like in that Bloxburg video we did, but it would not let him upload.
Aw, someone took it.
He took. How does he do that? Whoa!
Before I can get it. Now I'm sad.
But there's more Nutella! But it was already taken. But there's one right here. Right here. See the brown? You took it!
I got it! I finally got Nutella!
I can take some Nutella too.
It says my cart is full, but I only have 3 ingredients.
Okay, I have enough ingredients to cook. Put these ingredients in. Cook a donut. Also, probably because I sound a lot more louder on Val's point.
Someone did the truck drop off! Quickly, get outside! Get outside!
Oh.
Collect! Oh, we were too late.
People are literally taking.
Didn't get any.
I got some. I'm gonna take some more.
I got. Hey! People keep taking ingredients.
From
I
us.
want to take.
People think that they can just take the ingredients because they always belong to them.
Ooh. Well, they belong to everyone.
Yeah, but people think that they belong to them.
Level 12.
Ooh.
Jack, I reached level 12.
Ooh. Also, if I sound a lot louder, Val no longer uses his phone to call me on Snapchat. He uses his laptop. So if I sound a lot, if Val has like if Val uses his like, if I sound a lot louder on Val's point of view, then he's calling me on his laptop.
Snapchat.
Yeah.
I got Snapchat on my laptop so I can call Jack.
Yeah, and it'll be a lot louder than it is on his other videos. Oh, that I'm in.
Jack, customers are coming.
Okay, I don't want to get to cook anything. Cops! Ooh. 4 cops are arriving. Hi!
The cops are going to collect my cupcakes.
Cops! Echoing on Val's point of view.
All the cops like my cupcakes. They took them all.
Yay!
Now I have no more cupcakes. Now I have 0 cupcakes.
Wait, it still says what your banana walnut, cookies and cream, vanilla blueberry. That sounds so cool.
They are yummy. Only if I could have a cupcake.
Only for, also guys, what I said in one of my videos is only for reaction videos. I'm doing face cam, so yeah.
Ooh, I like this tile. It's bloody red. Bloody red.
People keep stealing all of our stuff, saying that thinking that it's theirs.
I got Nutella.
People are like, hey, that's my Nutella!
No, because no one was trying to really steal it. Oh, there's another jar on the conveyor belt if you want to take it, Jack.
Of what?
If no one took it.
Of what?
Another jar of Nutella.
Oh no, someone took it.
Oh, someone took it.
Why do people think that all the ingredients belong to them? They're everybody's to take.
Well, Jack, get this. It's because people have bigger shopping carts, and they need more ingredients. So that's probably why.
They're taking all the ingredients?
Yes. Oh, rainbow cupcake!
Ooh! I'm coming over to see it.
It's already on display.
Yeah, I'm coming over to see it.
Where are you, Jack?
I'm coming.
Okay, I just didn't see it. Oh, there you are. Now I see it.
Hi!
Hello, best friend. Also, I want to show you guys something. If you join this game or go on it, if you go over
Oh yeah, Val showed me this yesterday.
and back here, there's a picture of a monkey.
Yeah, Val showed me this yesterday.
It was very funny.
You first found that out when you first joined this game, right?
No, I didn't know it was actually there when I first played this game.
When did you first play it?
I don't really remember. Okay.
Remember? Remember?
My cupcakes are called. The rainbow one is called rainbow.
Double fudge! Double fudge!
Yeah, this brown one is called double fudge.
Yeah, I love... Oh yeah. He has a lot of stoves. I'm pretty sure he needs all the ingredients he needs. He needs to have all the...
I think I found the glitch.
What?
Look at how many milks I have.
That's not a glitch, I don't think.
That is a glitch.
You just
Because
cooked
I
it.
just kept clicking on the milk, and then it like doubled. Tripled, actually.
Oh yeah, okay.
Do it! You do it! Click on the random item as many times as you can. Oh, double.
Oh. Look at that!
Ooh! It's a lemon cupcake, which is actually called lemon zest. Oh, Jack, customers are coming in.
Okay, luckily, I have some.
Hello.
Well, who are arriving?
Hello.
No one's arriving for me.
Goodbye, customer.
No one arrived for me.
I'm following you to your car. I'm part of your group now.
Val, no one arrived for me.
No, you left without me.
I see you.
No one came for you?
Yeah, probably because I just put my stuff on my thing.
Yeah, probably. Whoa! You were like glitching on my screen there for a second. Just for like a second.
Okay, I only need 3 ingredients to cook. Got a gallon of milk. He took it!
These ingredients to my bakery station I go. Cupcake.
Look at this!
Cupcake. 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 Why did I say cake?
Oh, I got 4. I have 4 items and one's a cookie.
I'm going to look at what you have. Chocolate W, dark chocolate, strawberry, and original glaze.
Sounds delicious, right?
Sounds delicious.
Oh, I reached level 8! I'm so close to getting cupcakes!
Oh.
Nutella!
No, wait, Jack. Cupcake, you have to be like level 20.
No, I mean, like, didn't you get cupcakes when you were at level 10?
I'm sorry. You are right. I am sorry. You are right. Oh no, my recording's about to end.
So is mine. Mine's at 12.
Mine is too.
Okay, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!